Today's video, we will take out the front bumper of 2020 Kia Soul. First, we lift up the parking brake, then we will lift up the car. I'm using a four-wheeler jack to lift up the car, so I don't really need to pull up the handbrake. But if you're using the regular jack that comes with the car, you must lift up the parking brake, otherwise the car will fall apart. Once we have lifted the car properly, very first step is we take out the clips and screws from the bottom, from right side, then left side, finally from the top. Now let's jump into the process. Using the door upholstery remover, we'll take out the first two clips from the corner of the bottom side. Then we move ahead and take out another similar clip, followed by taking out a series of similar clips all the way till the end. Notice in the middle you will see the bumper losing its grip. Then take out another clip and take out the last two clips on the other corner side. With that, we are done from the bottom side. Jumping onto the corners, there are two clips right beside the reflector that needs to be taken out. We'll also take out the third clip at the very bottom. Corner where the bumper is connected with the fender, notice there is a 10mm screw. I'll be taking it out using an impact gun with a 10mm nut setter, but you can also use a round head ratchet with a 10mm nut setter. Screw is out. Now we will slightly pull the bumper from the edge. I noticed this bumper had a strong grip, so I had to use my both arms in order to pull the bumper from the edge. There, we pulled out the bumper from the corner. Now we will jump onto the other side. Similar process, take out three clips, then one 10mm screw, and finally pull the bumper from the edge. With that, we are done from both sides. Now we will jump onto the top. Take out one 10mm screw from top of the headlight. Notice there is one clip that needs to be taken out. In our case, half of the clip is already gone, so we will take out another half. Couple screws right beside each other needs to be taken out. Then take out another 10mm screw and another clip on top of it that needs to be taken out. Notice similar screw and clip on the other side. Take both of them out. We'll take out two more screws. Take out clip on top of the headlight. And take out the final 10mm screw from the edge. Now with a little force, take out the edge from both sides. This was the passenger side front and this is the driver side front. Make sure you pull both of them out. Now we need to pull out the cover from the middle side until it pops out completely. There we were able to take out the front cover. Once the cover is out, notice there is one 10mm screw which is behind the top headlight. That is the last screw that is holding the bumper and it needs to be taken out. After that, we were able to pull down the bumper. Last thing is the fog light covers. We'll take out the plugs for both of them, one for the passenger side and the other plug needs to be taken out from the driver's side. With that, we are done taking out the front bumper completely. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.